Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the November 21st issue of the Tucson Mortgage Weekly. I'm Todd Abelson. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. Okay, let's get right to it. What happened last week? Well, more negative news out of Europe, and they were now starting to talk about the fact of whether recession was actually going to hit and grip through the entire continent. So we'll have to see what plays out with that. Not altogether surprising. At the same time, some better than expected economic reports in the U.S. and inflation continues to be tame, under control, so that's certainly good news. This morning, what's going on? Well, as I've been reporting last week and in previous weeks, the big news, guess what came out of the debt super committee? Nothing except an extension. The odds of them announcing anything today are 0, and the chances are 100% that they will be extending it another 30 days. So we get to see what's going to go on. And in the meantime, of course, the stock market is dumping. Securities, U.S. Treasuries are being bought up. Not so much with mortgage-backed securities, but U.S. Treasuries are being bought. Kind of interesting goings on there. Okay, what's going on this week? Well, first of all, this morning, a little bit better than expected home sales report came out, and that's always good. But going a little further into the week, a couple of big reports. Tuesday is coming out the Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes, and we're going to have to see what the wording is. We're not expecting any increase in rates, but again, there were several things that were alluded to. We'll have to see how that rolls out. Wednesday comes out consumer sentiment and some other inflation reports, and this will be just in time for the Thanksgiving and Black Friday shopping. So we'll have to see how those reports actually roll out. Okay, wild cards. What's happening? This is always the fun and game stuff. Debt Super Committee. What the heck are they going to do? The other thing, as we just alluded to, was the goings on in Europe. Is that going to get worse? Is it going to get better? And the last thing is going to be, most importantly, I think this week, is the Fed Open Market Committee. They alluded last week that they may actually go back and start buying mortgage-backed securities again like they did a year and a half ago. And if that's the case, we're going to see some improvement in rates, which is really good. But on the bad side, if rates are 0 and no one can qualify, does it really matter? So we have to see what's happening. Also, the announcement came out about the new HARP 2 program. Fannie and Freddie just releasing some guidelines for that. We're digesting it. The investors between us and Fannie and Freddie are also trying to put implementation plans in. So the devil is always in the details, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, tomorrow, anniversary of President Kennedy's assassination, always rings a bell in my memory because I knew exactly where I was when that happened, and that was an interesting and defining time for the United States of America. Where were you when Kennedy was assassinated? Otherwise, obviously the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. Market will be closed Thursday all day. Friday will be closing early for the weekend. I wish you and your family a very healthy holiday season. Enjoy your turkey. Have a great week. Don't forget to check out the website, TucsonMortgages.com. I'm Todd Abelson, and have a great day. Bye-bye.